Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix LinkedIn app keeps logging you out automatically on iPhone. First of all, check your login credentials. Make sure your email and password are correct and not being used on multiple devices simultaneously. Next, update or reinstall the app. Go to the App Store, search for LinkedIn and update your app till the newest version or delete and reinstall it. After that, open your settings app, search for Safari and then scroll down for Safari and again scroll down and click on clear history and data and click clear history. Privacy tip: always log in to trusted devices only to protect your account. Quick fix: if the issue continues, enable two-step verification under settings, restart your iPhone and log in again. Contact LinkedIn support if automatic logout proceeds, and that's it. Subscribe for more